Hello friends, you are watching your own YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. So today I am talking about home natural remedies that really work. This is PLR product. So what is the meaning of PLR? PLR means private label rights. So let's back our topic. Home remedies, private label rights product ready to customize and make a huge profit selling it. This PLR pack include every material you will need to profit on this health and wellness niche. Done for your email marketing pack, done for your lead magneting pack, done for your social presence pack, ready to use converting capture pages and thank you pages. What you are actually getting. So first module is all about high quality ebook, certified ebook. See this information about ebook, high quality ebook. I will put this link on description section. So see this information from this link and buy it from there. Then what's included in module 1 ebook, over 1100 words, 80 plus pages of how to step by step content, 100% unique and original, editable doc file included so you can edit the book as you wish, professionally formatted and styled, PDF version included. See the ebook. Then module 2, what is inside in module 2? Checklist. So see this certified checklist and all the information about checklist, what you will get in this checklist. Then module 3. So module 3 is all about resources cheat sheet. See this information about cheat sheet, everything you will get information from my link. So see it from there. Then module 4, mind map. So mind map is a module 4, right? Module 5 is resource report. Inside the resource report you will have access to best tools and training, blogs, forums and infographic, all focusing around the home natural remedies niche. Then module 6, high quality lead magnet report. See this information from there, link. I will put this link on description section. Then module 7, 12, high quality articles. You will get 12 top notch article all around the home natural remedies subject. Use this article for your blog post, emails, social media content. Use them to create powerful training videos or even full blown course. Compile them into a short report to promote official product. Then or use them as a bonus for your affiliate promotion. The first benefit, private label rights included. Then each article is at least 600 plus word in length. Then formatted in TXT version for easy copying and pasting. Include all the article in doc. Then module 8. So module 8 is all about email follow-up series. So you can promote product by emails. Then so what about module 8? What you will get in module 8? Email that is ready to engage, start a relationship, sell them a product, high open rates and high click through rates, professional email follow-up series to boost your sales, professional emails follow-up series to boost your sales. Then module 9 is all about social media post. You can put this post on social media platform. Then module 10, license pack, big benefit of this module 10. Of course, as a promise, you are also getting the private label rights, master resale rights and resale right license. The certified grant you rights to above. See this above. Customer generating premium quality exclusive content at your fingertips in a second. Your golden tickets to fast and easy profit. This PLR bundle include everything. If you buy this product from my link, you will get $750 bonus right now. So buy it from there and check all information from there. So what you will get inside in that bonus. For first bonus is eating for a healthy life. See this information from my link. Everything. The value of this bonus is $97. You will get in only free. Then bonus 2, wellness dietetic. Then bonus 3, natural detox strategies. See this information about natural detox strategies. So topic covered in inside module 3, bonus 3, introduction, create a plan, patience is the key, everything. See here. See here what you will get inside in that. Premium PLR ebook, checklist plus resources cheat sheet. Then mind map resources cheat sheet, high quality lead magnet report, 10 high quality articles, email follow-up series, social media posts, license pack. See this 3 bonus, home natural remedies, amazing ebook, eating for a healthy life for your sales page plus thank you page, ready to run and keep 100% profit. Then second bonus is wellness dietetic ebook including done for your sales page, thank you page, ready to run, keep 100% profit. Then natural detox strategies ebook including done for your sales page plus thank you page, ready to run and keep 100% profit. See this poster about bonus and 100% satisfaction guarantee. See, if you have a question, then see every question here. Thank you for watching my video. I put this link on description section, so buy it from there and see information from this link and buy it from there. Thank you so much.